graph of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 intersects the y-axis at which point? So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Graph of the equation this intersects y-axis. Let this equation be the equation of this line. So this line cuts the y-axis at this point. So coordinates of this point will be 0, y. Here value of x is equal to 0. So substituting the value of x equal to 0 in the given equation, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So if we substitute x equal to 0, this term becomes 0. So we get 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So y is equal to 2. So coordinate of this point where the given line cuts or intersects y-axis will be 0,